I'm gonna record this. So this is this is Carl from Jimmy Neutron impression with the Joker. All right. Shut up. Hold on. Wanna know what I can't fucking do it. Okay, shut up.
My stomach hurts.
Wanna know how I got these scars? My father was a trick. I can't fucking do it with the serious face. Oh my god, bro. Are you okay?
My
Are
stomach
you okay?
hurts.
Wanna know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend. And one night he goes out crazier than usual. Oh, Jimmy's mom gets the kitchen knife to defend herself and doesn't like that, not one bit. So me watching, he takes the knife. He takes the knife.
I'm jerked off to Jimmy's mouth. I'm jerked off.
Goes to me with the knife. Why so serious? You stick the blade in my mouth. Then he put a smile on that face. Why so serious?